Introducing the Multi-Speed Power Pack Egg from the Colt collection, an ultra-powerful multi-speed vibrating egg made especially for men. The easy grip controller is made of a safe and pure hard plastic. The 2-inch long and 1.5-inch wide egg is silver plating over a safe and pure hard plastic. The Power Pack Egg is designed for use on all parts of the body. Experiment, use your imagination, and get buzzed. It's easy to use. Turn the dial on either side of the controller, which uses 2 AA batteries, to the desired intensity of vibration. To increase your pleasure, be sure to use a quality lube like California Exotic Novelties Universal Lube. And don't forget to clean your Power Pack Egg with California Exotic Novelties brand Universal Toy Cleaner. Get great stimulation and good vibrations from the ultra-powerful and versatile Colt Multi-Speed Power Pack Egg.